Today we're going to be showing you how to install your TREX Harmony Comfort rear seat kit on your EZGO TXT. Prior to installation, make sure your parking brake is fully engaged. Make sure your ignition is in the off position. And flip your switch from run to tow. The first step for installing your rear seat kit is going to be removing the factory sweater basket, which we have already taken off of this cart. In addition to that, you'll also be removing the factory roof, roof struts, front seat back, and the A-frames holding that seat. Make sure to set your hardware and roof struts aside, as these are going to be reused. Once you've removed all of these parts, it's time to begin your Harmony seat kit installation. Step 1 to installing your new rear seat is to get your seat back support brackets, as well as hardware A and hardware B. These brackets will be installed in the same place as the factory front seat brackets. Next, you want to grab your vertical support bracket as well as hardware D, E, and F. During this step, you're only going to want to loosely fasten the hardware. Step 3 is to prep your armrests with hardware K. The next step is to install your armrests into your seat platform. You're going to be doing this using hardware G, H, and K. Prior to installing the bolts, you're going to want to slide the washer onto it, and these longer bolts are going to be used on the cup holder side of the armrest. You're going to want to snug these bolts down, but be careful not to over tighten, as they can crack the plastic. Repeat this for the other side. If installed correctly, your armrest should taper on the outside and stay flat on the inside. Step 5 is going to be to place your seat platform onto your seat back support brackets. For steps 6 and 7, you're going to need hardware C, E, F, J, K, and L. And you're going to be connecting this entire piece to the seat back support bracket and your vertical supports. I'm currently on the top side of the seat, but I'm reaching down under here to get the nut onto the bolt. Repeat this same step on the opposite side. Now you're going to fasten your vertical support brackets using hardware J, K, and L. Step 8 is to install the foot plate to your vertical support bracket using hardware C, E, and F, and we will be going through the top mounting hole. Now that the top of the foot plate is secured to the vertical support bracket, we'll connect the bottom of the foot plate to the vertical support bracket using the cotter pins and clevises. We like to install our clevis from the outside going in so that the clean side is facing out. In step 10, you're going to be connecting your safety grab bar to your foot plate. For the upper mounting holes, you'll be using clevises and cotter pins, and for the lower mounting holes, you'll be using hardware I and K. In step 11, we're going to be reinstalling our factory front seat backs to our new seat back support brackets. In step 12, we'll be installing our new rear seat back to the seat back support brackets. We'll be using hardware J, K, and L. Step 13, you'll be reinstalling your rear roof support brackets into your new seat back mounting brackets. After reinstalling your struts and roof, the final step in installing your Harmony rear seat kit will be installing this seat cushion with the included Phillips head screws in the kit. You'll attach the cushion to your seat frame just like this. After the final step, be sure to go back through and tighten any hardware left loose during the install. We hope you enjoy your TREX Harmony rear seat kit for years to come, and thank you for choosing TREX Golf Cart.